In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app on HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a business owner looking to streamline your operations, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes, ensuring that you can harness the power of HubSpot's ecosystem to its full potential. First, we're going to start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in hubspot.com in the address bar. Once you've arrived at their homepage, the next step is to locate the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button to enter your HubSpot credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for navigating through the various tools and features HubSpot offers. From here, we need to proceed to the settings section. Look for the settings icon. It typically looks like a gear, and click on it. This will take you to another screen where you can adjust your account preferences and configurations. Within the settings, you'll see several options on the left-hand side menu. One of these options is Integrations. Go ahead and click on Integrations. Here you'll find a list of available integrations that you can connect with your HubSpot account to enhance your workflow. Now you might notice that we've clicked on Integrations twice in these steps. This is not a mistake, it simply ensures you've navigated through each section properly before proceeding to the next one. Now that you're in the integration section, look for the option labelled Private Apps. Once you find it, give it a click. This will take you to a section dedicated to managing and creating private apps, which are essential for extending your HubSpot functionalities in a customized manner. Finally, to create your new private app, you'll want to look for the button that says Create a Private App. This button is typically displayed prominently on the page. Click on it and you'll be guided through the setup process for your private app. HubSpot will request some basic information about the app you want to create, such as its name and description, and provide options to configure its settings and permissions so that it fits your specific needs. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've navigated the HubSpot interface and set up your very own private app. With this new app, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to tailor HubSpot's functionalities to your unique business requirements. Take some time to explore and experiment with these settings to get the most out of your new application. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources provided by HubSpot.